Kung naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy unit dito sa Lipa City, Batangas na very accessible lang ng locations and napakalapit sa mga commercial establishments and mga school, ito yung isa sa ready for occupancy unit namin dito sa Amiya Rosa 2, Barangay Bulbok, Lipa City. Tara, pasukin natin. Para sa lot area ng property na to is 140 square meters and then for the floor area is 78.2 square meters. Meron tayo ditong garage area and also may mga open spaces pa tayo like dun sa kanan and pwede mo rin siyang i-utilize as additional garage or open space or garden. Ito naman yung ating living or receiving area. And by the way guys, yung price ng unit na to as of now, September 2025 is 8.5 million pero meron pa tayong mga existing discounts. And ang maganda sa unit na to, this is few steps away from our amenities which is complete amenity po. Dito naman sa area na to, ito yung ating dining area and meron tayo ditong sliding door going to our lanai. And this is our kitchen area. Please take note lang ha na for reconditioning pa yung unit natin. So may mga ilalagay pa dito ibang fixtures or ibang gamit tulad po ng ating tiles dito sa kitchen area. Meron din tayo dito ang access door from our garage. And before we proceed with our second floor, meron pa tayo ditong powder room dito sa ground floor. Tara, second floor. Dito sa second floor, meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Unahin ko ito. Ito yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. And this is our bedroom number 1 na may mga abang na for your window type aircon. This is our bedroom number 2. Kita nyo naman, well lit talaga yung ating unit since malalaki yung ating mga windows. And this is our master's bedroom. Ang kagandahan dito sa master's bedroom natin is meron siyang ensuite toilet and bath. And lastly, ito yung balcony ng ating unit. Kaya kung interested ka na mag-invest or naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy unit dito sa Lipa City, isa ito sa pwede naming i-offer sa'yo. Nandiyan sa description box yung full YouTube house tour, yung full details at ang aming contact numbers. Thanks for watching!